Have you ever tried to watch your favorite show, but had to sit at an awkward angle just to beat the glare on your screen? I've been there, and I finally found the perfect fix. I recently installed the Amazon Basics full motion TV wall mount in my living room, and it completely changed my setup. First off, the full motion articulation is a game changer. Being able to swivel and tilt my TV means I can watch from the kitchen while I'm cooking or from the couch without any annoying reflections. Second, it is incredibly robust. It handles TVs from 26 to 55 inches and supports up to 80 pounds, so I didn't have to worry about my screen being too heavy. Finally, the single stud installation is a huge relief for anyone who isn't a professional contractor. It's straightforward and secure. If you've been looking for a way to get that clean, professional look while maximizing your viewing comfort, this is definitely the mount to get. Seriously, don't wait too long on this one, as stock can fluctuate. Grab yours through the link in the description below and enjoy a much better viewing experience.